All right, so the coin we're covering today is Polygon, and it has been a crazy couple of days in the markets. I've actually been on vacation with the family down in Disney World, so I've been completely disconnected from it, which has kind of been a good thing mentally, actually. Polygon was one of the hardest hit by the recent market correction. Just after hitting its all-time high of 268, Polygon absolutely crashed down to a low of 74 cents in just the span of 24 hours. Fortunately for any of us Polygon holders, the price has rapidly begun its rebuild alongside the rest of the market. In fact, it was up over 100% today at one point. Right now, we're sitting back up at $1.80 per coin, up around 67% on the day. And many newer retail investors are beginning to see the potential of Polygon. And they really seem to be getting on board. And then Bitcoin had its absolute clapback and really took Polygon hard with it. But they're starting to see the benefits of the layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. And yield farmers are still digging its low gas fees, which an attractive feature for those trying to get around the congestion and high fees on Ethereum. I have a yield farmer friend who is just all in on Polygon's DeFi implications and its potential in that category alone for the short term and long term future. But the transactions per day are still extremely high, even during this recent pullback in the market. Today we're at 4.8 million per day, down from our high of 6.3 million per day last week. Still higher than Ethereum itself, which is just incredible. And this is across nearly 1 million wallet addresses, 977,000 to be exact. But I mean, with DeFi Pulse, alone, the TVL going from 90 billion to 50 billion, and then now back up, that's certainly understandable. But the progress is not stopping with Sandeep and the team. They announced a big partnership with Lab Groups to enable full stack scaling across their retail investment platform starting on Wednesday. Another integration with Dot Moves today, just bet a couple days ago, the Bikemi integration and a bunch more. So the market, is going to do what it's going to do. And Sandeep and the Polygon team are just going to be heads down, building and gaining more and more traction and momentum. And we'll see, what the market does. I think, a lot of people think this is a dead cat bounce. I think it's more sustainable. I think this looks more like a recovery on the charts to me. And I'm talking about Bitcoin charts because where Bitcoin goes, the whole market goes with it. Polygon has certainly been more resistant than others historically to Bitcoin, but it really got whacked with this latest crash over the weekend. But we'll see where it goes from here. Let us know what you guys think of Polygon, where your price predictions are moving forward. We're still, we've been covering this one since it was like 20 cents. So, our 10x, prediction certainly got to that point. But we still think there's a lot of growth here in the months and years to come as Ethereum, as they continue to help scale Ethereum out and more and more projects come on board. But yeah, let us know of any other crypto or any other projects that are on your radar that you'd like us to check out. Still going to be on vacation for another week, so the schedule's going to be a little sporadic. But yeah, give us a like and subscribe. If you like the video, download the podcast, do all those internet things. Check out the BlockFi link down below. I think it's up to $250 in free Bitcoin for depositing $100 or more, I think are the details. But check that out. We love BlockFi, and we'll be back tomorrow possibly with a podcast. But if not, we'll be back the following day. But all right, I'm just babbling at this point, so I'm going to hit stop record. Bye-bye.